Hello and welcome to the Daily Forex Report for June 19th. We are looking at the US-Japanese yen pair first. This pair surged down on Friday, did close lower. We are looking for it to continue in that direction. Had a small gap. It is starting to retrace, looking for that to retrace probably within the next 24 hours. We are looking for this pair to potentially go as high as 81.06, possibly as low as 79.38. Look for some resistance around 80.50 and look for some support around 79.82. Now the Euro-USD pair, we are looking for this pair to move to the upside and close higher, although overall trend is to the downside. Look for it to potentially go as high as 144.61, possibly as low as 140.53. Look for some resistance around 143.75. and look for some support around 141.50. Now the pound US dollar pair, this pair created an inside bar on Friday, did close higher. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 162.84, possibly as low as 160.27. Look for some resistance around 126.15 and look for some support around 160.75. Now the US Swiss, this pair gap just a little bit. It's already retraced it just a few pips. We are looking for this pair to continue moving sideways overall, possibly going as high as 0.8554, possibly as low as 0.8390. Look for some resistance around 0.8525 and look for some support around 0.8440. Okay, now as far as news announcements go, we have the Euro releasing, or the Euro has the German producer price for May being released at 2 a.m. Eastern Time. Consensus on that is that it has dropped just a little bit from 6.4% down to 6.3%. We also have the Australian dollar releasing their Reserve Bank Board meeting minutes at 9 p.m. Eastern Time tomorrow. Well, as far as what I'm looking at during this next session, we have a inside bar that has been created in the the pound US dollar pair right here. And if we get a break to the upside, most likely we will come up to this low here. That's our next area of resistance, that previous support that would now be resistance that we should run into. This would give us basically about a 57 pip, 58 pip move from the open of today. It would be about a 120 pip move. Not necessarily a big deal for this pair. You can see over the past several days, we've past several sessions, it's gone over 200 pips. To get 120 pips out of this pair is not anything unusual. So it's potential that it could break to the upside and grab those pips. So that is what I'm looking at for this next session as far as a trade. I'm using a risk to reward of 1-to-1. So if it breaks the 162.25 mark, I'll look to buy. Then I'm looking to exit around the 162.83 mark, and using a 1-to-1 risk to reward or stop loss. Well, that about wraps us up for today. Until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.